Rachel McClellan doesn't know where he'll be sleeping tonight. He's one of about 100 people who packed this hotel conference room at a town hall hosted by the Leduc Hub Association. There, he voiced his passionate support for the organization, which has been unable to operate a shelter since last May, leaving the areas unhoused without one.
The hub was home. It's the building blocks that give us the starting pieces of what we need to become functional and housed and cared for members of society, just like everybody else.
The hub still provides outreach and navigation support where they can. Right now, they're in the process of learning how to best support the community.
We've spoken with lots of different stakeholders in Leduc and area, as well as all the municipal side of both the county and city of Leduc, trying to come up with ways that where we fit, what it is that we need to do.
Last June, Leduc City Council passed a motion to operate an emergency winter shelter. That motion was rescinded a month later.
The problem with the winter shelter that was proposed, it would only be open during extreme weather. And so even though we would fund trailers and staff for the November to April timeline, the only time it would be open is during extreme weather, which under our guidelines is minus 20 or colder. So up to this time this year, the shelter would have been open like 7 days. So that's the reason that it got voted down.
Throughout this debate, Young has been an advocate for directing people instead to the Edmonton Navigation and Support Centre. According to the province, more than 5,100 people have accessed services there. However, they don't keep data on the number of people coming from outside the city of Edmonton. For McClelland, it isn't a good solution.
Edmonton shouldn't be the solution for Leduc's citizens and the homelessness crisis that's going on. Leduc has to be able to develop its own safety net. And that safety net was the Leduc Hub Association.
After the town hall, it's still not clear what lies ahead for Leduc's homeless population. The Hub Association is taking in feedback from this event as well as a public survey. But they remain committed to one day opening a new facility right here in their own community. Sam Brooks, CBC News, Leduc.